So, um, I've started my Mazda. So as you can see, let me show this. Let me focus it. So as you can see, the headlight has so it's on off, but the headlight is on at the front. So we can say that auto headlight feature is on because I can't. um, when it's even when it's off, the headlight is on, so it won't it it does not have any impact, right? So how do we turn this feature off? So please turn off your car and leave it off for at least 30 seconds. All right. After at least 30 seconds, do not put your foot on brake. Just press this start and stop button for at least 5 times within 20 seconds. So basically, you have to push start button and then turn it off for 5 times. I'll show you how. One, two, three, four, five, and wait for about 10 seconds or so. There will be a beep sound. That's it. So now when you start the car, the headlight is not on. Um, Let me show you here. It is off here. Headlight is not on at the front. So let me turn this thing on. So the headlight is on now. So so it has been disabled. Hopefully it will help someone. Thank you.